You guessed it, a new toy arrived today. A new vacuum with advanced navigation, home mapping, self-empty base, self-cleaning brush roll, powerful suction, bagless, perfect for pet hair, even though I don't have any pets. Taking it out for its first spin around the house. As you see, it doesn't quite get to the very edge. It doesn't want to hit anything. Once in a while it pauses. I don't know why. And then it again continues. That's the way this one works. I got mine from Walmart. It took 4 days to get to my house and arrived in an oversized box. Somehow, all items from Walmart seem to arrive that way. Maybe it's more impressive if the box is bigger. I don't know why. This cost $2.99 plus tax. I think I got another bargain. Welcome to my home. Keep it clean.